Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use your FavePay cashback. I know that a lot of you guys are using FavePay, and you're probably wondering how you can use your cashback. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's super easy. Before we get started, I want to make sure that everyone knows what FavePay cashback is. FavePay cashback is a rewards program that gives you cash back on your purchases at participating merchants. Once you've linked your FavePay account to your bank account or credit card, you can start earning cash back on your purchases. How to use your FavePay cashback? There are a few different ways that you can use your FavePay cashback. Withdraw your cash back to your bank account. This is the most common way to use your cashback. You can withdraw your cash back to your bank account at any time. Use your cashback to pay for your next FavePay purchase. This is a great way to save money on your next purchase. Transfer your cash back to another FavePay user. This is a great way to share your cash back with friends and family. How to withdraw your cash back to your bank account? To withdraw your cash back to your bank account, you need to log into your FavePay account. Once you're logged in, click on the Cashback tab. Then, click on the Withdraw button. You will then be asked to enter your bank account information. Once you have entered your bank account information, click on the Submit button. Your cashback will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. How to use your cashback to pay for your next FavePay purchase? To use your cashback to pay for your next FavePay purchase, you need to add your cashback to your FavePay wallet. Once you have added your cashback to your FavePay wallet, you can use it to pay for your next purchase. How to transfer your cashback to another FavePay user? To transfer your cash back to another FavePay user, you need to log into your FavePay account. Once you're logged in, click on the Cashback tab. Then, click on the Transfer button. You will then be asked to enter the email address of the person you want to transfer your cash back to. Once you have entered the email address of the person you want to transfer your cash back to, click on the Submit button. Your cashback will be transferred to the other FavePay user within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Have you ever wondered how many people are using Trading 212? Trading 212 is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, shares, ETFs, and other financial instruments. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Trading 212's growth. Trading 212 has been growing rapidly in recent years. In 2021, the company reported that it had over 6 million registered users. This number has continued to grow in 2022. Trading 212's popularity. Trading 212 is popular with both retail and institutional investors. The company offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to trade stocks, shares, ETFs, and other financial instruments. Trading 212's global reach. Trading 212 is available in over 180 countries. This means that there are people all over the world using the platform. Trading 212's user base. While Trading 212 does not disclose the exact number of active accounts, we can estimate it based on the company's growth and popularity. It is likely that Trading 212 has millions of active accounts. Additional tips. Use visuals to help illustrate your points. For example, you could use charts and graphs to show how Trading 212's growth has increased over time. Use real-life examples to make your points more relatable. For example, you could talk about how a friend or family member has used Trading 212 to invest their money. Be passionate about your topic. This will come through in your delivery and help to engage your viewers. Trading 212 is a popular and growing online trading platform. It has millions of active accounts all over the world. If you are looking for a great way to start investing, Trading 212 is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching.
Ever wondered if Albert Einstein, the genius who revolutionized physics, had a simple, everyday concern like direct deposit? Let's dive into the mind-bending question. Did Albert Einstein have direct deposit? Before we delve into the specifics of Einstein's financial life, let's quickly recap his groundbreaking contributions. From the theory of relativity to the photoelectric effect, Einstein's ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe. But did he have the foresight to embrace the convenience of direct deposit? The direct deposit dilemma. Direct deposit, a modern financial system that allows electronic transfer of funds directly into a bank account, is a relatively recent innovation. It wasn't widely adopted until the late 20th century. Given Einstein's lifespan, 1879 to 1955, it's highly unlikely that he had the opportunity to experience direct deposit. Einstein's financial life. While we don't have detailed records of Einstein's personal finances, we can make educated guesses based on the historical context. During his early career, Einstein struggled financially. He relied on teaching positions and private tutoring to support himself and his family. It's possible that he received payments by check or even cash. As Einstein's fame grew, so did his income. He received royalties from his books and lectures, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. These sources of income likely provided him with a more stable financial situation. However, it's important to note that the global economic climate, particularly during the Great Depression and World War II, would have impacted his financial security. The legacy of a genius. While we may never know the exact details of Einstein's financial practices, his intellectual legacy continues to inspire and amaze. His theories have revolutionized fields like physics, astronomy, and cosmology. As we ponder the question of direct deposit, we can appreciate the irony of a man who could unravel the mysteries of the universe grappling with the mundane aspects of everyday life. So, did Albert Einstein have direct deposit? The answer is most likely no. But the question itself serves as a reminder that even the greatest minds on Earth are subject to the constraints of time and technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.